Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing well. This is your maths class and I'm your maths teacher. Let's start from multiplication threes. I hope you remember the table of 3. As you can see, here is a number line and number block is also given here, in which you have to fill the missing numbers by counting threes. Have a look. What comes after 0? When we count in threes, 1, 2, 3s. When we count in threes, oh yes, the number will comes. Let's fill missing number 3. Here again count in threes. Next number will be 6. Then 9 will comes. Write down the missing number 9 here. Now count in threes again. Next number will be 12. Then 15. Fill in the missing number 15 here. Then again when we count the threes, yes, 18 will come, and so on, like 21, then 24. Okay my dear students, open page number 97 and do exercise 1 in book. Count in threes and fill in the missing numbers. Complete all the parts in book. Now as you can see, exercise 2 on page number 97. Count in threes. Color the squares in blue. Here first of all, grab your blue color pencil and start counting threes and color the squares with blue color, like 3. Then again count in threes. Next number will be 6. Then 9. Count again in threes. So 12. 12 will come. After that 15 and then 18. Next number will be 19, 20, then 21. Then 24. After that 27 will come, and at last you reach to 30 by counting in threes. This is how you have to complete your exercise 2 in book. Now open page number 98 and complete exercise 3. Write in the empty boxes. Here you can see empty boxes are given. You have to fill it, like when we add 3 plus 3 2 times, the answer will be 6. And when we multiply 3 by 2 times, the answer will be remain same, that is 6. Okay students. Now in the next example, when we add 3 4 times, the answer will be 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 4 times, the answer will be 12. And if you multiply 3 by 4 times, still the answer remains same, that is 12. Then you can see here there are 2 empty boxes. Let's figure it out. When you add 3 6 times, the answer will be 3 6 times. So multiply by 3 by 6, the answer will be remain same, that is 18. Complete all the parts in book. Now learn the 3 stable timetables. Have a look first. After that write, then say and write. As you can see, there are 2 3s are 6 and 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. Now 3 3s are 9, and it means you have to write like 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. Now open page number 99 and do exercise 5. Complete the times table and learn. Do all the part in book. Let's move towards the multiplication of 4s. As you can see, a number and number block with missing numbers. You have to fill by count in 4s. Like to count in trees. Let's count in 4. 4 will come after 0. Fill the number 4 in number block. Then again count in 4s. The number 8 will comes. Keep counting in 4s. The next number will be 12. Oh, it's missing. Let's fill in the missing number 12. Then 16 will come. After that, when we count 4s again, the number 20. 20 will come. Fill in the missing number 20 now. Then 24 will come, and so on. Open page number 100 and do exercise 1. Count in 4s and fill in the missing number. We have already that. Now complete all the parts in book. Now move towards the exercise 2 on page number 100. Here count in 4s and color the squares in green. Now take out your green color pencil and color the squares green by counting in 4s. Like 4, then 8. First you count, then color. Then 12. After that 16. Now keep counting in 4s and color the squares like 20. Then count in 4s again and color the squares 24, then 28, and so on. Then on page number 101 and do exercise 3, write in the empty boxes. As you can see in first example, there are 4 dice. It have 4 dots. 4 dice. It have 4 dots on it. So when we add 4 times 4, the answer will be 16. When we multiply 4 by 4 times, the answer will be remain same as 16. Now in another example, there are how many dice? 5 dice are given which have 4 dots. So when we add 5 times 4, the answer will be yes, 20. And when we multiply 5 times 4, the answer will be remain same, that is 20. Now complete all the parts, fill in the empty boxes in book. Okay, now students, turn on page number 101 and do exercise 4. Multiply and find the answer. Okay, let's start. Find out what comes when we multiply 4 by 6 times and what comes when we multiply 4 by 4 times. So 6 times 4 is equal to 24 and 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Here you can see another word problem, that is how many legs do the following chair have? As you can see, there are how many chairs? 5 chairs, and each chair has 4 legs. So when we multiply 5 times 4, the answer will be 20. It means 5 chairs have 20 legs altogether. Now learn 4 times table. First have a look, write, then say and write. Look, there are 2 4s. Now say 2 4s are 8 and write 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. Now look, there are 3 4s are 12. 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. Now open page number 102 and do exercise 5. Complete the times table and learn do all the parts in book. Okay, my dear students, let's find up our weekly homework. Now hope you understand very well. If you have any question, I can ask. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.